Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for an awesome tank for your snake or reptile, then I highly recommend this one from Way Cool Reptile. This 60-gallon collapsible tank is very easy to put together. You simply follow the instructions and it will only take you a few minutes. It comes with everything that you need, and it took us a total of about 5 minutes to put the entire thing together. Also super nice for travel. I like that it has organization for your cords at the top of the tank, in addition on the side here. The wire mesh top makes it also really nice to get out maybe some of those taller items like trees that you might have that you want to pull straight up. And to do that, all you do is you pull these two tabs right here, and this top, as you can see, comes all the way up. One of the most convenient features of this tank that I personally love is the way that it opens. You simply pull up on these two tabs, or one tab, both doors fully open, or you can have one fully open, and then you can do whatever you need to do in your tank, and then when you're ready, you simply pull up again and it locks into place. The blackout back reduces stress for your reptile. I also like the high quality tempered glass bottom and aluminum alloy frame to ensure that your terrarium is sturdy and safe. It also has plenty of room underneath for your heater. Overall, I would highly recommend this reptile tank. It's been amazing. Mohawk loves it. We love it. 10 out of 10. And that is Mohawk's point of view.